Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to make a form using WordPress. This video will be totally easy guys, and you will learn how to create multiple kinds of forms for your website so you can make your visitors or your clients have a much better experience. And of course, with these forms guys, you also collect some data about your clients and make some analytics about them. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your WordPress website. For me, I will just open my local host because I have it in there. So here we go, access WordPress, and just simply like that I will be in my website. So you can do the same by going to your WordPress website. So you can just type your domain name /wp admin, and you shall be in your WordPress dashboard. Now, as you can see, this is the dashboard and that's how it will look like for you as well. Now, what you need to do is go to plugins, and simply from here, guys, go to click and add new, and simply now search for WordPress forms. So here we go, WP forms. And here it is. I think it will be this one. Of course, you can either download this one or download this one, which is Ninja Forms. So they are like the best at the moment for forms in WordPress, so you can use whatever you'd like from this. So this is one of the best, forms also in WordPress. Now, as you can see, I have it already, so I'm just going to update this one, as you can see over here. So this is the one that we are going to use today, which is WP Forms. It has more than 5 million active installations, and it last updated was 4 days ago. And of course, it was made by WordPress themselves. Now, what you are going to do is go to install plugins, and as you can see, make sure that it is active. So go to active and make sure that it is over here. So let's search for it. WP forms, here it goes. So here it is. Now, how we can create a form using that? That's pretty simple. You will notice that in the main menu in your dashboard, you will find here WP forms. So to create a new form, you can just click on add new, and now just wait until it loads. And from here guys, you can choose whatever template you like. So you can use a blank form, simple contact form, newsletter sign up form, fax cover sheet form, eviction notice form, and vehicle inspection form. So you can choose whatever you like, and there is much more over here. If you'd like to use them, you have to go to the pro mode. If you want to view the demo, you can just click here, and that's how the demo will be looking like. So something like that. Now, how we can actually make something like that? That's pretty simple. Let's go, for example, to a blank form. So here I'm going to make a blank form, and now to create our form, what I'm going to do is let's add, for example, here paragraph text. So I'm going to add it over here. I'm gonna click on it, and here I'm going to make it, for example, about, or subject, for example, subject. And here write your problem. So I will add like this, and I will add a star over here, so it is required. So if the person who is filling this form didn't actually answer on this subject, they will not actually have the button submit allowed for them. Now let's go to advanced. Here we can edit the size, so we can make it small, and limit length. We can make how many characters you'd like, so let's make it about 365 character. Here we can add some CSS classes, and here the default value. Here's some smart logic, but it has to be also pro. And now we are done with this. So now let's try to add some names. So we can add name over here. So here is name and last name. Let's add, for example, an email. So here it is, so you can contact them. And of course, let's add, for example, some phone number. So here it is. Change that to phone number. And as you can see, this is not required, so they can fill it or not. It depends on them, because I didn't really check this button over here. Now in here, let's add, for example, as you can see, these ones you can't really use them because, pro, so we can just keep up with these simple ones. Here we can add some checkboxes. So let's add, for example, here checkboxes. Here let's click in here, Let's say, for example, are you single? For example, yes, no, and here maybe. You can make it required as well to be answered, and use images choice. You can use that as well if you'd like to, and here you can make some icon choices if you'd like to as well. Here you can add some description. For example, we will need those for some more information about you. And just like that, you can make advanced, make randomized choices. So it will not be like yes, no, maybe. Sometimes it will be no, yes, maybe. Sometimes yes, no, yes, maybe, no, something like that. And here, choice limits, I'm going to make it one. So there is no more like they will only choose yes or no, or maybe they will not be able to choose more than one option. And just like that, we are done with this. Finally, we are going to add a captcha, so we don't have like robots that are spamming our website. So we can add this. The captcha settings have not been configured yet. Please complete the setup in your WordPress settings. So you have to complete the settings. Let's click in here, and as you can see, you will need to choose, for example, let's add this one, and here you must add your site key, secret key, and here the fail message. So in order to do that, so now I'm going to save this and let's try to actually add it. I don't think I will be able to add it. Yep, I'll not yet because I will have to add the site key and the secret key. So as you can see here, now as you can see, we can add some number sliders, multiple choices, drop down, paragraph text. As you can see here, I've added the paragraph text, and just like that, I can here name this form. So let's add it, for example, analytics form. And now I'm not going to add any button in here. I will add send button, not like submit, and just like that I will click on save. Now as you can see, I have saved it, so I will must find it somewhere over here. So if I search for it, I will be finding it. So now after I've done with creating my analytic form, what I'm going to do simply to add it to something else. So let's Control B, so I can create a new page, and now I will add about page. So this will actually make them make this form in a page. So I'm going to actually name it form or analytics, or tell us about you. So tell us about you. Here we go, and click on let's go. Now, as you can see, it will create the page for me. So here it is. Tell us about you, name, email, phone number, yes, no, maybe, subjects, and send. Now let's click on publish, and let's view the page from here. So this is the website. This is like if I want to fill it out. Here we go. Phone number. As you can see here, I can't really type words, but I can type numbers. Let's remove this. Here you can only pick one option, so you have exceeded the number of allowed selection, which is one. If you picked more than one, it will tell you this message. Now the subjects, let's for example try to click on send. They will not allow us until we fill the subject with the information that we need. So here we go, and let's try to actually fill it. As you can see, I can't really add any more words. And now after I click on send, there's some problems. For example, here I need it to be like a correct email. So here we go. Then click on send, and now it will be sent, as you can see. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it. That's how you can make a form in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.